This is DJI Flip FLY MORE, and today I'll show how you can factory reset the remote controller of this drone. So to start, you will need to, switch the remote controller on, and now open the control and notification panel by swiping downwards from the top part of the screen. Here, launch settings. Scroll the settings all the way to the bottom, enter the system category, go into the reset options, and here press erase all data or factory reset. Now confirm by tapping erase all data button a few times, and from here simply allow some time for the remote controller to be entirely factory reset. And should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.